5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys full of glee, climbing up the tallest tree. A branch went snap and down fell one. Now there were monkeys counting to 3. 3 little monkeys at the zoo, playing tricks and acting new. One swung high and tumbled down. Now only 2 were left around. 2 little monkeys in the sun, chasing each other just for fun. One got tired and took a rest. Now 1 monkey was left, just one guest. 1 little monkey's all alone, missing friends and feeling grown. Called them back to laugh and play, and 5 little monkeys danced all day.